Everybody wants clout, but no one wants to work for it. Telling me.
Let me know. Like iCarly?
Yeah, you're good.
Just point at me. Alright, what's up guys? It's been a while since we posted. I blame that fully on Levi. So, in today's video, our buddy's car got backed into. Here are the remains.
There's duct tape on it, but don't mind that.
This is a 2012 Civic Si, and it's a pretty sweet car. It was before he got backed into somehow. In today's video, if you couldn't tell by the little cinematics we had laid out for you guys, we are going to be wiring up the Beto headlight RGB kit. It's pretty sick, if you ask him.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome, and it's pretty simple to install, and we're going to show you how.
Hey, that was actually good. Let's go! Alright, so in the box comes with
the warranty card. That's important because these things might not last.
They have a warranty.
One-year warranty.
This looks like the Bluetooth app instructions, so we'll get to that later.
This is just, it tells you how to install them, but we don't need that because I'm a wiring guru.
Yeah, but like, this is here.
This is here for you guys.
The kit will be in the description. Probably not, because I'll probably forget. All right.
So then it comes with, put that down. Comes with zip ties and double-sided little tags. Double-sided
99 cents.
It's $3.99.
All right, so in this baggie is like 3M little square things, and some twisty cable ties, whatever you want to call them.
Twisty ties.
They're not
zip
twisty.
ties. They're zip ties. Yeah.
Cable ties.
So
is
and then
correct pronunciation.
it also comes with the Bluetooth transformer. I heard it's a Decepticon, but it it goes 12-volt power and ground. Your power
is right
on this. Yeah, on this particular application, power goes red wire goes to like a parking light, like key on wire.
Yeah, key
and
on
then
wire.
The ground goes to the chassis ground. So you're gonna want to remember that. It's got these little neat like
adapters,
push-in connectors,
and
they have like a slot. And
no one's gonna trust us. They're gonna be like, these idiots can't even fucking figure out how to talk.
Okay, so in the box.
Okay, so in the box comes
That's one way to get your ass beat, bro.
All right, so basically it comes with 2 headlights. These ones in specific are 9006, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
9006 headlight bulbs. These are the low beam application for this 2012 Civic Si that we've been working on. Yeah, it also comes with a warranty card.
And these are, you already said that. So we'll be wiring these up, and yeah,
we'll be
see
done.
you guys
In the next video.
No, we'll see you guys after we're done wiring these up, because we need an outro, something you always forget. All right, peace.
color. It's a pretty cool little Bluetooth controlled app. You can cycle between any of the colors basically. You have a white setting so you can drive around on the white. What we have going on in the background is just the rainbow pulse, I believe is what it's called underneath the style setting. Overall, between installation and actually like how they work, it's pretty cool. The only downfall that I've seen so far is you have to have the music on your phone, which anymore people just stream it on Spotify or Pandora. But as long as you have music on your phone, it will
Google
play
Play.
to the beat of the music. Huh?
Or Google Play.
Yeah, or Google Play. It'll play to the beat of the music. So the brights are pretty bright. This is like the just headlight on setting. It's not really the bright setting. As soon as you flip it to bright, it doesn't. I mean, it does change color, but it's still got that bright white, so you can actually see. So it is street legal in a way because it is still bright and it's still white light. You can't obviously change the color while you're driving down the road. All in all, it's a pretty simple installation.
So
pretty fun to do. While operating the brights.
But you just can't even see them. Okay, Joe. But yeah. So I did end up buying a song for like to get on my phone so I can show you guys the music feature, and this will be our first time seeing it. But I bought the new X song "Arms Around You" with Maluma and Sway Lee and Lil Dump. But let's just see how this goes. So this is the app, and you can just play. But
That was really cool.
so pretty sweet. I think what Alex will be rocking a lot is this, but because it's an SI, so you know, the usual. But yeah, I'm showing the headlights, not you. This isn't a review on you.
We might be furthering with the color changing LEDs.
Because you can group these together so you can get multiple lights on the car. Which
So we can do like the high beams, the low beams, the fog lights, and that's pretty much it because that's the only lighting on this.
might as well just wrap the car in Christmas lights.
And then color change them all at the beat of Arms Around You. Because
That's the only song I have.
yes.
But let's hope Alex has music on his phone. See you in the next video.
I'm not afraid of the dark, but afraid of the dark.